All right, guys, we are in part 2 of this video now. We just finished up this slide and moving on to the next one. Okay, this time, the table shows the monthly balance in a savings account with regular deposits. The savings account begins with $2,000, and each month, $500 is deposited. So we need to come up with our explicit and our recursive rule, okay? All right, guys, so let's come up with our recursive and our explicit rule. My recursive rule, I need to know my pattern. So we get from 2,000 to 500, 2,500. They told me that it's going to be 500 because 500 is being deposited every single month. So my recursive rule is AN equals AN minus 1 plus 500. So now let's come up with our explicit rule. AN equals 500N. I need to know my A0, so I need to go backwards 500 to give me 1,500. So that's my explicit. That's my recursive. Nope, wrong way. Sorry about that. All right. Now, sometimes you're going to be given the table, you're going to be given the equation, and A1, and you got to fill in the table. So, with my recursive rule, they told me AN equals AN minus 1 plus 7. They told me my D, which is important. They told me A1 is negative 11. So I can put that in for the first one, and all I need to do is add 7 every time, not add 3. I mean, add 7. So, negative 11 plus 7 is going to be negative 4. For the next one, do the same thing. Negative 4 plus 7. That now gives me positive 3. Now do the next one. 3 plus 7 gives you 10. Next one, I have 10 plus 7 gives me 17. Last one, I have 17 plus 7, which gives me 24. That's all you have to do, guys, if you're given the equation, the recursive rule equation, and your first term, your first number. Now, with explicit rule, it's actually not too much harder if they do the same thing. They gave us the equation. They also did tell us that A2 is 16. Okay?